Hey everybody, welcome back to Ryan Makes Sense, where we talk personal finance, investing, and chart analysis. Today we are looking at ticker symbol ASML. The stock is $868. This one has been just rising with Nvidia. Looking at the bigger picture, this stock is a little hot. Definitely hit a top. But my question is, has it had enough of a breather to reverse? That is my question. We'll see. We're gonna find out. And also just need to draw a quick line here. All right. And then just another quick line. All right. So we can see that this actual candle is balancing right on top of this support. And this could be a cup and handle where literally the top of the cup is 884 to 1040. That's about 950, 970 cup height average minus 370. That's 600. This could be a $1,500 stock. And that's based off of my cup and handle math. Cup height average, which is this area right here. Again, the height of the right side is 1059. The high of the left side is about 900. Doing some rough math, I say 950 is the average, but it's not. I'm just throwing it out there. You take the cup height and you minus the cup low, and that gives you the differential to add onto the top of the cup, which my uh my brain price target says 1600, 1500 if this is a cup and handle. Only time will tell, honestly. We're gonna look. The strength is at 60, so I feel like bulls still kind of have control. Momentum looks like it's kind of getting ready to either move up or down depending on how May goes. Money flow is holding nice and tight at 57 right here. So we rose up dramatically, took a breather, rose up, took a breather. Relative momentum indicator, super hot. Momentum's on the side. So does this stock deserve to be 868 or my 1500? Let's find out. So what we're going to do, and before I do that, shares outstanding are going down naturally. That means retail, institution, and hedge fund ownership is naturally bringing the shares down, which is good. Sales are going up and to the right. That is amazing. EPS up and to the right. Amazing. This is a beautiful trajectory. So let's go ahead and do my calculation. So they have 343 billion, 250 million in market cap. Plus they do 7 billion, 700 million in income. Plus they do 28 billion, 300 million in sales. All right. And now we're going to go down to their cash and their debt, and we're going to incorporate that into our calculation. So, and is this USD? Yes, it is. Okay. So they have 5 billion in cash. So plus 5 billion, 838 million, 590,000. 5 bill, yes. Total debt. Long-term debt is 4 billion 900 million. So we're going to minus 4 billion 980 million 960,000. All right. And we are now, before we go and finish the calculation, total assets is 42 billion. Total liabilities 27 billion. That's $15 billion buffer. Good for them. Okay, going back up. Are there any insiders? I didn't see any insiders buying or selling, but they are based in the Netherlands, so that information could be buried in their 10K. So we're going to take this and we're going to divide it by 393,210,000. This is saying a stock price of $966, about a $100 potential price. Analysts have this target price at $1,095. Who's closest to my price target? 966. I don't see any other numbers. So 966 to 1500 if this is a true cup and handle. Um, they did have earnings last month in April. Losing my voice. So there's that. Institutions own 18.66%. That is old data. Finviz does not update it as regularly as Fintel. This website right here, Fintel, updates it almost to the day. So again, institutions own 18.66. Old data, new data says we're going to have to do the calculation in our head. 96.3 million shares long. So 96,300,000 divided by 393,210,000. 24% times 100. So institutions own 24%, up from 18.66. That is a 6% increase. Let's see what our historical institutional ownership looks like. Wow. Insane. What's going on? Sorry for the ad. Insane jump up, but we actually kind of dipped down right here. BlackRock, Vanguard. BlackRock had 30 million shares. Now they have 31 million. So they added about over 1 million. Did Vanguard sell out? Is that why they are not up there? Let's see. Typically, Vanguard and BlackRock are two pods in a pea, two peas in a pod. Yeah, Vanguard doesn't actually own that much, it looks like. So, yeah, I mean, there is institutional ownership that is up. In terms of the chart, let's see if I have this one charted out. I don't think I do. Wow, just so crazy. So I'm just going to draw some things really quick. The low here is 363. We'll go there. That's fine. And then from here to this high, 1,056. Can I get there? Yes, I can. Okay. Yeah, this isn't a horrible possibility. Again, we are possibly looking at, let's go right there. We're looking at a couple things. We have our cup and handle, which I was just mentioning on Finviz, but we also have this channel where you can see it acted as support, resistance, resistance, support, multiple resistances, support, resistance, support, support, and actually just fell through. So I think the next few months are going to be interesting. To the downside, I think we have 781 as our possible low in the near 2 to 3 months. For our high, if this stock goes bananas berserk, 12 to 1300, my calculation said 966, right? 966, which is, if we end the year, it's like right in this area. So yeah, 966 to 1500, depending on the long-term pattern. If this is a long-term cup and handle, then it's going to continue upward, in my opinion. Don't take it with a grain of salt. This has already gone up since October of 2021 from 356 to over 1,000 in just 2.5 years, to less than 2.5 years. So I think it needs a breather. There are plenty of other stocks that could use some love or are more attractive. So yeah, that's my analysis on ASML. If you made it this far, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.